Welcome to watch the installation guidance of Residential Energy Storage System, GCL EKwBe NCS Series. Please prepare all these necessary tools below before starting. It is highly recommended to wear the safety gear below during the whole installation process. The following consumable materials will be used for the connection. Once open the box, you will get following product and other materials. Gently place the box on the ground. Safely cut the plastic string by diagonal pliers. Use a cutter to open the box. After opening the box, remove all protective polyfoams and carry out the EKwBe with care. Remove the waterproof bag and place the EKwBe on the ground. Pick up the power cord and set the sleeve over the power cord. Use a wire stripping pliers to remove the head surface insulation of power cable. Put the ring terminal on the power cable. Press the ring terminal tightly with wire crimpers. Move the sleeve to cover the rest of the ring terminal part. Connect the modular connector with Ethernet cable RJ45 T568B. Use crimping pliers to compress the modular connector with the Ethernet cable. Here are final wired cables. To install the mount properly with EKwBe on the wall, a sufficient space is required. Draw a standard line with level ruler on the suitable position. Put the mounting plate on the wall. Mark the hole sites. Use the impact drill to punch the hole sites. After punching holes, put expansion screws in all these holes with a hammer. Install the mounting plate on the wall. Use the torque wrench to tighten the screws. Gently install the EKwBe on the mounting plate. Ensure the chassis of the EKwBe and the mounting plate are fully locked. Take off the bottom cover from EKwBe. Dismantle the cable holes from the two sides of the bottom cover. Insert cables through the cable hole. Make sure the safety switch is off before wiring. The EKwBe voltage between the positive and negative terminals should be measured with a multimeter. Ensure the voltage is around 0 before wiring. Insert Ethernet cable into the communication port. Screw the power cables on the negative and positive terminals respectively. Switch on the safety switch and hold the on-off button of the EKwBe for over 4 seconds until the button light is in a steady state. Use a multimeter to measure the EKwBe voltage. The voltage should be in the range between 48 volts and 55 volts. Replace the bottom cover plate to the EKwBe. Ensure the master and slave's EKwBe are at the same voltage. Difference should be less than 2 volts before connection. Screw the power cables to the negative and positive terminals respectively for master and slave's EKwBe. For the parallel connection, please connect the Ethernet cable with modular adapter and then insert it into the communication port. Please remember that only one modular adapter is required for all multi-parallel connection, up to 4, and it needs to be connected between master and first slave EKwBe. Hold the on-off button until the light of on-off button flashes 3 times. The first left SOC indicator will flash continuously. Then hold the on-off button until the button flashes 2 times. The first left SOC indicator will stop flashing when set up successfully. Switch off the safety switch after that. We call it 3-2 for an easy reminder. Hold on the on-off button until the light of on-off button flashes 5 times. The second left SOC indicator will flash continuously. Then hold on the on-off button until the button flashes 2 times. The second left SOC indicator will stop flashing when set up successfully. We call it 5-2. For 3 EKwBe connection, the master needs to be set as 5-3. The slaves need to be set as 3-2 and 3-3 respectively. For 4 EKwBe connection, the master needs to be set as 5-4. The slaves need to be set as 3-2, 3-3, and 3-4 respectively. If there is any misoperation, please reset EKwBe to default settings. Hold the on-off button until the light of on-off button flashes 3 times. The first left SOC indicator will flash continuously. Then hold on the on-off button until the button flashes 1 time. The first left SOC indicator will stop flashing, and then hold the on-off button until the light of the on-off button flashes 5 times. The second left SOC indicator will flash continuously. Then hold on the on-off button until the button flashes 1 time. The second left SOC indicator will stop flashing when set up successfully. We call it 3-1-5-1. For safety reasons, please do not pull out the power cables with on mode. Please do not use any tools to damage the EKwBe. Thanks for watching this video. Please check the user manual for more details. Beware of the installation contents, and qualified installers are subject to all relevant local laws and regulations. Bringing green power to life.